Globus Gates here, and a fantastic job in Studio City working with Alumafence. What a great success. It's aluminum, it looks good, the posts are very sturdy and very heavy duty. Check this out. Gives you the best value for your buck. If you're a DIYer, this is a no-brainer. You guys can build the fence kits yourself. Buy the kits from Alumafence at shopaluminumfence.com. And then the gates, if you're a DIYer, the gates, you can request by sizes, hinge point, what kind of locks, and Alumafence will create the gate from A to Z. Wrap it, you come and pick it up, or they'll deliver. You go and get your install done. Really easy, giving you the future in your hands. Alumafence by Globus Gates here in California factory. So let's talk about a little bit what it is. Basically, it's an aluminum channel, an aluminum 3-inch slat, and then this beautiful post ability. It's an 8-foot wide by 6-foot height kits. You can go up to 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. You can extend the kits however you like. For this application, the Yell keypad for Wi-Fi operation, so you can open it from your phone, and the Google Nest intercom system, so someone can buzz you in on the Google Nest and you can open that from your phone. It's a no-brainer. It's the future, and it makes your security a lot easier with a minimum budget. So that's talking about the gates and the operation of the lock with the intercom system. Beautiful setup, gives you that appeal that you need for your house, gives you the security, obviously minimum security. If someone wants to come in, they're just gonna jump. But package stealer, homeless, and those other guys, this is gonna be enough, and this will stop them from entering your property. Professional are always going to get in, so don't think this fence is going to stop professional theft. But this does give you your perimeter, and you can know by your other cameras, if someone passed this gate, he's trespassing, and trespassing is illegal. So that helps you also with that matter. If something happens, he trespassed my locked gate, then he trespassed my gate, and I'm not a lawyer, but you can take it from there. So DIYers and especially fence contractors, this is an ultimate product for you. It's all in stock in California, here in Canoga Park at the factory, Alumafence. And for homeowners, I mean, you know already, go to the pros, Globus Gates, and get your job done at the best price for your value. And guaranteed on paper, apple to apple, we get you the best price, factory direct, wholesale direct, and install direct, only by Globus Gates. Alumafence, come and visit us. 21520 Blythe Street in Canoga Park, California. We can ship all over California. Call us and we'll get you all the details you need. And fence contractors, come and visit us, get the knowledge, get some samples, and go right on some jobs. Your clients are going to love it.